Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Children's Day is a great chance to feel the kids' happiness, innocent playfulness, and endless imagination. This day provides fun-based education, and very important activities that help kids to feel special. For every parent, teacher, or caretaker, it's always so much easier when you have a best Children's Day celebration plan in place. That's why I brought you a list of Children's Day celebration ideas to make the day special. So, first is pick a fun theme for the day. Choose a theme to make the celebration more memorable, whether it's superheroes, fairy tale character, or outer space. A theme add an extra layer of excitement. Encourage children to dress up and decorate the space with theme items. This not only make it visually engaging but also spark their imagination. Second, set up a DIY craft station. Get creative with a DIY craft station. Set up supplies like colored paper, marker, glue, and stickers for kids to create their artwork. This activity is great for children of all age and encourage them to express themselves artistically. For younger children, simple craft like making paper hat or friendship bracelet are always a hit. Next, host a mini talent show. Allow kids to showcase their talent by organizing a mini talent show, whether it's singing, dancing, telling joke, or showing off a unique skill. This is a fun way for children to feel appreciated and proud of themselves. Children's Day activity that let kids shine are especially rewarding. Next is outdoor carnival. Set up a mini carnival in your preschool outdoor space with games booth, puppet show, and a magic performance. Activity like ring toss, mini golf, and balloon pop can be both fun and education, teaching children about coordination and numbers. Next one is art and craft festival. An art festival gives kids the chance to explore different forms of creativity, from painting and drawing to clay modeling. An art festival let children experiment and create. Displaying their finished piece on a children's art wall is a wonderful way to celebrate their creativity. Next is paint party. Children love paint, the color, and they love splashing them around. How about a paint party? Gets lots of canvas and lots of finger paint. Let the kid go crazy painting and splashing around. Make sure the paints are safe and do not involve dangerous chemical. Have them create piece of art and decorate them by identifying a place for them in school and preserve those life memories. Next is board game and puzzle corner. Start a layout of a room with different board games and puzzle. Beside entertaining children through humor, this makes them solve problem to progress in the game. Next is storytelling session with a twist. Invite parents or local storyteller to share a story with the children. Enhance the experience with interactive storytelling session where children can be part of the story through role play or puppetry, fostering imagination and language skill. Next is Children's Day Olympics. Host a mini Olympic with age appropriate sports activity. This not only promotes physical fitness but also teaches children about teamwork, preservation, and spirit of healthy competition. Next is pizza party. Well, for kids, there can be no better way to end a day than having a pizza party. The kids should be engaged in preparing their mini pizza with their favorite taste of tomatoes, etc. They get a delicious treat as well as some learning about how cooking and preparing food work. A pizza party is likely to be one of the best Children's Day celebration idea that they will cherish. Gratitude circle. End the day with a gratitude circle where each children can share something they are thankful for. This simple activity fosters a sense of gratitude and help children reflect on positive aspects of their life and education. Children's Day is one day celebration of children and their uniqueness. When you have them in playful, creative, and fun straining activity, then you can turn this day into one to be remembered. So here we come to an end of the video, and this were all activities that I have brought for you. All I hope that you have liked it. If you have liked it, please hit a like button, share it with your teachers and all your friends. And if you haven't subscribed up till now, please subscribe to my channel for such lovely, interesting and beautiful content that come up every week on my channel. So then we meet again. Take care. Bye.